Here's an update on our SNCF Picasso railcar. So here you can see the plate that covers that extra window, and I sanded it down a bit, and I also used the file, my file there, to file it down a bit there at the top where it joins the roof to help it blend in with the tumblehome profile of this railcar, because you can see that it's a tumblehome design. It's not straight. I also filed the bottom part as well, being very careful, just to, because you can see there's a bit of a step there if we look at it close up. If we look at it from this distance, you don't see anything, right? But that's looking definitely better. Once we get it painted, it'll look absolutely perfect. And then I've kept a paper pattern for this part, because when I eventually get a trailer car, a dummy trailer car, sorry, not the dummy trailer car, the dummy motor car, because this here came in a set. Motor car, trailer car, which is a modified motor car, which I'm going to have to modify further. Despite all this is good training for the modifications to the actual trailer car. And then there's a dummy motor car. And I've seen a dummy motor car in Vinted for €30, but €30 plus shipping is a bit too expensive for a dummy motor car, something without a motor in it. But we'll see. We'll wait and see. Keep it under control. Maybe something will show up sooner or later. I'm not in a hurry. We have to get this one on the rails. We have to get the trailer car on the rails. But we've got the pattern to remake this part here, so that won't even bother doing all the other bits and pieces I did when we eventually get the actual dummy motor car. Let's see things right. Okay, so that's consider yourself updated. That's what Mr. E, Professor Putin, very interesting Canadian professor of history, follow. And I'll put a link in the description box to one of his videos, and he always finishes these shorts with "consider yourself updated." Great guy, I like him. Okay, cheerio, and see you next time. Well, see you next time. See you in the next clip when we finish this thing. I think I don't think this is the end of this video. No, I'm hearing. This is the beginning of the following video, or maybe it's just a video on its own. I think it'll be a video on its own, because, God, I don't know, it's too hot. I'm going to have to shut the shutters, listen to those cicadas, they're making a hell of a racket. Cheerio, and see you next time. Well, if it's part of another video, at the beginning of a video, it's all the same, it doesn't matter.